evening, the sky was cloudy. Air was cool and windy at the same time. Suddenly, my son asking that, "What is happening, mother?" So I just give explanation that, "My dear boy, this is called maybe will be raining in a moment." So the sun eats up the water from oceans, lakes and river, and water change process of evaporation. As the water vapor rises up into the air, it starts cooling down and forms tiny water droplets. These water droplets come together to form in a clouds. This process will be called condensation. So, when the clouds start getting heavy and cannot hold the water droplets anymore, suddenly the water fall back to the earth in the form of rain. So, some of the water that falls on the earth seeps into the ground, and the water falls back into ocean, lakes, rivers, and seas. So these processes are called collection. Lastly, the sun starts heating up this water once again. So this is called water cycle. So my son was happy with my explanation. Thank you.